Okay, so now we want to set up your team. So you're in Team Manager, and we're first going to go to Teams, and we're going to add a team. All right, so I'll call this my, I'm going to give it a team abbreviation. I'll call it my test team. So TT, test team. There are all sorts of options here. You can choose to fill them out or not fill them out. It's completely up to you. Some of it is going to be required, in which case you'll get a message saying it's required. Okay, so I put in my team abbreviation, my team name. I hit OK, click cancel. Here's my test team. All right, good. So now I close out of that. I'm going to go over to athletes, and I'm going to add some athletes into my test team. All right, so you'll see that I already have a Windstone team set up here, but I want this to specifically be test team. This person's last name is Smith, first name Tom. Now, here's the important stuff. I want to put his birth date in there. All right, so he was born 01/01 of, let's say, 08. When I put his birth date in there, you're going to notice that it automatically calculates his age. This is the best way to do it. Don't just put in the age, put in the birth date of your athletes. The other thing that's incredibly important is you want to put whether they're male or female. Other than that, everything else that you put in here is completely and totally up to you, but there's my first kid. I can put in my second kid, Jones. Her name is Sarah Jones. Her birth date is 05/15 of, let's say, 05. All right, so she's 11 years old. I'm going to put her down as a female. And then another important thing, you want to make sure that you have the right team selected for this, okay? You can put them on multiple teams. You can have subgroups if you want to do subgroups. That's for another day, but this is just the basic stuff. All right, so I got my two kids on my test team here, all right? And you're going to continue to put in your entire roster here. All right. Now, the next thing that's important is when you close out of that menu and you go to your setup and your preferences, and again, there's a lot of different stuff you can do here, but mainly for system preferences in our league, we have an age update, right? We say June 1st of the year. So under system preferences, you're going to go to system age update, and you want to set that age update as June 1st. All right. Unclick the always age up to today, and then you're going to age up your athletes. All right. And so this is the way our conference handles it. So we want to know what the age of the kid is as of June 1st. Different conferences are going to have different things, but that's basically it. And you go through and you just enter your entire roster.